Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Suzuki, when I were a bit, even when we to Europe, a country in my life, Suzuki, the European country in my life, when I be my life. Uria we bodo gbigbe aga. Ugbe Italy gbe Spain. Suzuki, ukewa bala bejo. The country no wejo with a passport no go. With a Spanish passport no go. The country no wejo. Ebe no go why gbigbe aga. 5 years away, 5 years away, balance madam. Ekwe mu we gwan no we na eba bala gbe dey ka do pe video we no ne. Na wa be you are. I working ekwe na mu we. The dey ke ma ye gbo keke. U ma ni we aso ai. Oye gbe no kwodide. Oswodu ma kan ma mo no wa ye ko wa okobo. Oh, we say the biggest liar on social media. A social media na Suzuki wa mu area. A social media na menu yo ayebo mu area. You oge mu area. Wo pa na gossip the full community. Una to a gossip gbo e. Umaye iba bola egbe agwa be you. Iwa yek ma we gbakin. In terms of life, yek ma we gbakin. Yek be ma we gbakin. E won we boy Nigeria e coffee no we. Suzuki. O wanu bo no wie once the ye coffee no. O ekpeto imi woje wa. Unu mgbe weje Nigeria be ye Suzuki we no tana babola egbe ebonu we ti osun kan na opora mu ebonu we mi na ti we wo ka emu di babola egbe na wo wo agbon Suzuki igbe aga such a girl morita bu we na are cut yare be cut atiti nu mu aso are cut iya ma ye set to death wow o aye la ni ya mu re be Nigeria re o ma ye set ya gbe Nuzaga wagbon. If you not one of them, a man say yagbuzo Oswodumako, igbe aga no ogo. They be ohowe, oh we fi ori e fodu call ye boy. From morning till night, what ye boy ga call. O ko ne gbe opa ga ne ya gossip we ori. Ba bola we gbe. Ko we do agun. Umani wa yaswa e mamu no wa ye ko wa e ba e ku kwa hoho. Suzuki, igbe tu hia hoho a, e memu aka ba we ti ba bo hia la we gbe. Wa zaga wa gbon wekin o ma gbon wekin o ga de se ku o ti yen gbo bobu wa salo a e ke me na gbon han gbo egun wa salo ari pogi boye mo he na boye mo he that na wa ta wa so nkan o mo yin le bun o pe no bi nu bi na explain ye e o explain ba ni we Okono nyime uro Spain pero bien na ro Spain umati mare umati stay wodo ba bolla wegbe wala jala video do ava soma da verse no hiare no mai da verse no hiare no ma ija gbigbe aga e susi da verse no gbe no hiare no ma ku we ke gangiwe wa gwo wa gbo we de no yege de no gbole kibie kan yan are yu wa salo a ogwi wo ma gbe wa lege wa mwa bori ya goze o debo meji mo nyek bebe na e no ri kama ya weria wa salo a bolla wa dai mo no ho a mo ne ya zigo wa gwo wa Suzuki e de no we la bo ma ga tu a ju we ya zigo wa bolla wa mo itamu we na ya ri e bebo gun agwe pai ku we kere no bo mu ya yo do we agbu we gbo ni pai mo tamu we na e ke kobo we na so ni mewa ni iwe to bo ni o ma ye gbese o yu won se fa mo tai ogun ogbo e wow ebenu mu he big guy no mu hian ebenu ya gbegbe aga beru ya mu de glasses mu de red light wa salu wa gbon mo no ho mo no sakan oria usaka ba ye begi da wo nyanga live video we na ba bo ogbo e sno ogbo e yewe na ne kuku hian gbe e video no wa ga ge Suzuki wa ati no zu wa gbon ti ba bo lagbon a o save e won save ahun ogbo a save awe kita wele la den yan do bi ogbo ne save no ri are cut no zu wa gbon madam cut wa cut wa no giagwa na e wo bi ope no ke oni so anywhere is where we na igbon egbe message to Suzuki agwa be you are agwa be you are the trouble gbo no man we trouble na ihe mama sewe e man we e trouble na ihe ma ye masowe abamagu we he gat ti masowe my pikin born when ya be my pikin love marry my pikin do engagement my pikin do traditional marriage isaga agwanwunu aka we gwa wodo ozuwo uwe gwa umara wanekwi we imwe wanekwu bie na boso mana dio gwa ya ye fa des gbigbe aga ye fa des balance mada uwe ni wa le ku uwe we ni kekwa uwe na ye fa des balance mada uhegire wa uwe ne gbe ogo ya 4 months so balance mada fune de we bona ni na 6 months ni balance mada ya fune de we bona ikwo ne ku uhegele ti okan ikwo no he ti okan sususi umo he uwe no de yo go we hin ikwo no he ti okan de we bona 6 months 1 year ya balance mada ya fune 30,000 euro 35,000 euro 50,000 euro 1 million lire eke lire ko ya ni gare obo eke lire won ni ya balance mada ya wow we la de do agun epeti wi after of ye bi lo wa gbe wa gwo wa ku we kije boy no wa no gun ya ye gbomo ya meet up o de hope de gbe live video ban say we at the funniest part the same when no na o wi na e ye no kokomo wa tire yin yan la wo frakila o si ti ma e ina o ke igu yan gun mama igu yan gun mama ere de gu o susu na ya wa gbegbe yan na ne ya igbegbonu na ne si gbonu na ke si ai ya wa gbegbono na si gbonu na wa ho wa no bari re na ma ge tin yin si kwa o ye gbe ma gbegbe ta tu le gbe o gun wa gbon ye wa ho wa e we bo se no se me you wa ya ki no de ye kele kebu de no ha ki ra bi je so you bo sapata go just that's my daughter wa ojo because you are the breadwinner of the family you hang family we go we wa azaga igbe to azaga susu montai wa bo la we gbe ma gbon we tin gbigbe aga vitali gbegbe don ma we vitali de joshua mo na gbigbe aga vitali na wa be you are do la de do la pete gbe too good wa salo ya bun won go best state atenu ye ye wo boda yugbo wa ye gbo ma ya fi ye gbo kan ye that boy after tete ni pe ani wo do azu live video wa salo ye gbo kan fi ye papu e ku no pe ani e bon do ate when ni ma wa kire ogu it wo ra fa how well who you help you don't face your village we gbogbo like community we yene ozuo no makon e mambo no yekuwa so ani le obodo pepulo we obodo do yinya the semori be pure ni bia ne je do adla de la do agbon la do wa ho after most frustration wa dele yi be wa salo wa gbon we na go we no we are e kworo no mu hian gbe aga no ogu ma bon ya na mo ya de obodo gbe aga omo no na gbe awodo to no je school no je we be no kono lati no ya we PhD we bu oh well do balance the madam e tori na mo ya de because ma o ba mo bude wa gwa de no ya gunu no gbe susu nu wo wa gun awe ni enye mu me e mu we ga la mo nu we hin ago enwu we na la mo nu we hin ago wa gbe wa go we frank ja we popular enwu we ga la mo nu we ga gbe we agogo who we meji we popular on wa gbon we kin we la won nu ogo na ba won se the most greatest liar on social media not to ogele na le wi wa gwo wa gbon o ma na gbon we iye mo jakin na right from time na mo jakin o ma gele yan ku wa gele suwa etu wa gele because wa zuwa wa ti be wa ma gbon na you can never know me you don't know me o ma even na that's the reason why right from time I was avoiding you because I know you are the greatest liar on this earth so far. Yeah, you know we boy we ye boy o we fio omo fo ye ho agbon na susu Pravita if susu na go if we want am dey go agbon but am dey go because you know get gain no we omo we egwu anu we egwu new generation wa talk ben okay Is yo? Eh. Asoni ayo ni o magun. Oni o magun. Oni yo magun. Suzu bi wa gbogbo yan na suzu. O me gugun. Suzu me gugun. Awa je gbe ma. Yo ma mo video e gbo na arobi ravije. Na arobi ravije bi like video. Na arobi e o king me ne king. E o king baba with the smile. Ona arobi baba with the smile. You oh sorry o baba. Oh sorry. Aku mau kamu dia. Hati mau kamu dia. Suzu. Okay. Na fora da cross. É música. Ije. Nossa. Iwagu. Suzy. O Beckene. Música. O Beckene música. O Beckene música. Ìjọba tí wọ́n fi ìwà bọ̀ ọláwẹ̀ gbé. Wà á gbẹ oyè wa dàn. Ìjọba ní ó gbẹ wa pọ̀n. Ìjọba náà wọ̀ à. Ó dòdò ní ìjọ ní wọ́n gbó ẹ̀. Okay, no wala. You why if your body would why if your body would. Sick your back. Mama, where you very lower? Where you also? Okay, everywhere. No shaking agree to you. Suzy, emotion. Ije, emotion vergonha. Emotion. Suzy, ọpẹnu bí ẹnà yóò gbẹ ẹgbẹ emotion. Náà lè Adébẹjọ. Udun agbọn emotion. O frustrate emotion. Náà lè Adébẹjọ. Ọgbọn agbe destiny àbí kò dán. Iko dán. O kò nẹ́ẹ̀tì gòkè yasọ̀fà. O kò nẹ́ẹ̀tì gòkè status. Yasẹ́gòtà. Dẹ́gẹ̀ kí ni gbé àjà tó. Ọ̀dẹ̀wẹ̀ eke bò débi lẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀ ọwọ́ sí yàn kan. Eke wọn ní kí máa yé sọ̀rọ̀ kan. Eke bò náà máa wo ọ sọ̀rọ̀ kan. Wà ẹ̀gbẹ́ wa. Passion. Make I take the follow up. Wàgà fídíò náà. Wàgà fídíò náà. Yàtọ̀ ní ìpọ́jọ́ gẹ̀. Suzy. Yẹ́nì ìpọ́jọ́ gẹ̀ Suzy náà ó wà wá gbọ̀n. Suzy my way no. You are a bomb bastard. What you are. Came na go hang with you. Mugus. E Monica. Every boy video very. E Monica be alibi ogo na mu yiwa. Ba ge video be wa le video be hian. This a boy man e wa kun. Ovien wa kun. Wa le hian. E video ni wa monitor video be hian wa le hian wa report video be hian. You are bomb hian mo so la we pe. Monica. Iwa bota iwa bo wie. Oh here allow egbe poor my wife. Be no na report video me. Ogun here agbo gboda pon your house. You understand? A video wa report hin wa report hin wa ya we video for apike as be no report kaka wa report. You understand? Be no do kiwe odoni iderewe. You understand me now? Iderewe no wa. Be do ya do kini be Facebook even. Iwa derewe Monica. Iwe dika do inform me. Of your no do ya email I send email where ya gumi I send the gumi when you do I will send the gumi won Monica wa gbe wa gbon ku ke susu wa o wa bo la wa gbe kaka bo wa press computer wa ni other for na leave me ogun kaka bo wa press work from home you understand gbe I work from home and I'm working from home. I am working from home. You understand? because we work from home. Yeah, ka bo happy one. We don't go happy one. Wa go. Like a video now. But last be done right now. Suzy saga continue. Wa bel. Ma gbon we hin. O we ni me so ni here. Niggas when you wear the social media. Suzy unya go. Uwe hia go me na so ni. Me na dey so ni the way you so. Uwe hia. Ma gbon we hin. Me yesu ni ma na mama uwe. Suzy. Come now say we the social media now. Suzy. Uma zen we do e pati go. Uma ye man we mo gbogbe bo na gbe logo you a o. We ma ye man we mo gbogbe. Bu we le di mo pikin social media na. Suzy o ta me no we. O keke ni we ga mo do ya gbogbe. Wo bi o keke ni babo mu wa o. Nuwo wa. Abu we ma ga video ni yere he. Suzy. Nu gbe wa gbon. A video na film from the beginning of this video to the end. He am we bogbu e. Won are we panya inu we go amu are. No gun gbu e. Wa go yo gbu e. But wa mo bogbo ho are. Eyi so bi asen. Suzy ni babo mu wa o. We am ladia. E wo ga jinja money ka mo. Eni ka na se. That's never ladia. Suzy. Abu ma ga video ni go me. Don't you know how to do? Don't you know how to do? Because when you go, this is why. Because when you why, he had to even know what and why I was saying. Even for life, that's Suzy. Suzy, don't you know I have your video? Don't you know how to do? Oh, God, where? Oh, God, where? Suzy. If be a get better. Even for Muawa. Not the pay you know you go. Not the pay you open the money. Not the pay you go. Not the passport you. What you go? What you go? Working. If you ain't go, my sister. If you ain't go, avec woni. Avec biani. Non, we ga te boni me. If I bola wagbe. If I put about all la wagbe. Et on est presque love like you were able to woman. If I all la wagbe. Saga continue. Suzy, who are wegbe? O ya gagbo we yo. We ga who wegbe we gagbo we yo na wa be you wa gbon no gbe wa gbon. Iya agbaye lala. Iya agbaye lala. Wow, o ma gbon we hin. Me maye mu o ma gbon. O ma wo fe. We na mo ade obodo gbe abia. We na e ba enyu nwome we hin. Enyu nwome we hin. Uwere ya be fa flat we yere wa. Suzy, we ye mo he. Ni ba bola we gbe wagbon. Again we dada mu hia. Again na ege ziku. Again na aliziku. Na ale beria rice. E we mu hia we makara. Agwa. Uno fo akyo ma re. Wa fo ba we lo ke de se ko go. Bola we gbe. That's so my people. This is from Victor the Umewe, one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media coupon, the social media otutu no one, the social media boom. I don't know my drink. I want you. So I just deal. That's just the intro. It's just the beginning. You understand me? So first of all, I want to say thank you all, thank you, my lovely people. Nobody should call me, no calling. For now, I'm not calling. You understand? Man, what calling them? So about a bonity or who want down. You know what? When you need to know who what. Suzy, we go in your bonity, you understand? So I don't want anybody to call. For now, it's a principle and take it. You understand? Suzy, imagine cake boy as a man. I don't really know. I mean, cake boy because when we make win, I was right from time. Right from Ogunati gossip for 5 hours. She's not a woman. Ogunati gossip for good 5 hours. Good 5 hours. 5 hours. Ogunati gossip for good 5 hours. You understand? Right from the disgust. The rest of just want disgust me was when we are at the Murphy. But we are boy let the Murphy le edimofi na anwa me be gwa edimofi ki nwa me na be gwa nya una lesi aye you Suzy una lesi aye eranga bu anya meti foa eranga bu anya meti foa o wa adam e Suzy eranga mo na anya meti yo era meta mame o eranga mo na anya meti yi eranga mo gi wo anya me ro pari ye wa nyo era ne mo mo anya me ro pari ye wa adam e Suzy they paid him up with total. Let me talk to you as I'm going to be talking to Suzy. Suzy is the bona fide evil person that make Edimofi to be constitution users all those years. Suzy, young way. I will prove. Suzy, Kakabotota, or are dealing with Umenwa, you will just lose. If you deal with me, you will lose. Because why? I'll eat you young woman. Suzy, Utame Agrippa, you understand? Even a kaya sagbon, and I won't sock. Damana, or Wahun. No ego o ma selu owo han e ohun ku we ka ba pe ge no mu epu ani o fe wa hin o kere wa hin o hin ni ka wa hin won na sade me na ya ma ego egun wa je pe ni gbe age lo gbe age because una de go wonu egu ati gugun won nu ege me ma bo nu won no ma be he o da wo be he yeke una tule mo da wa ya cha ya gbe u we ri me gu ezu o we gi me na no agu ezu o ku kele na wa yela we na oni no na ba bo no ga gbe de ye gbe de koko una o ge gbon ero ni me hin wa do aye e boya chatting with live video iba bo lawe gbe iba bo hin lawe gbe iba bo hin lawa bo ni gbe na bo no o wa aba bo han no le gbe be do aba bo ni o wa ni mo dori ayo ba bo iba bo ala gbe nu wa ya nyu e na wa se do ni anu ke na aru da mo bo na obu iba bo lawa ya gbe fun wa kori akori wa go wa Suzy la le na wo wa agbon e gbe no mama o hu me la re zua the same you Suzy after we frustrate in the big aga wo pa gbegbe aga vitali gbe bejo o pe no be bie na be bejo pe no be bie na be bejo na mo re musia Omusi, oh, Alagbon. You frustrated that man. Every man should be wise and be intelligent and be observant of the woman you go out with in this Europe. The majority of them are evil. Majority of our women are evil. After the work they did in road work, they frustrated their ex. Then they are looking for young boys who pass the Palapacon Europe who can put them for us. He have frustrated everyone. He have gone on the Palapala. He have won you na gbe gbuwa na moria na mu wa moria. Wani oni mu mo ni lawe moria. Nu wa kunye yakara. Abu enege, uweni koto. When I always Suzy. There's never a time. No why am manuwa. I bet they not with small boys. No wa ku yara. How we want to be lege. E wa ya gbe ko terrible. When I gbe kita o ta do no bayi. Iwo ma gbe lege. Iye ga bleaching. Oi bleaching. Oi dry cartoon le gbe. He not small. Who got here the day? Who got here my dog? I was sleeping yongi. I sleeping yongi. Me wa dem. I am mutia. Suzy. Wow. No wa agbon. Kuwe ko sawe me so we nwen. O sawe ni ye adu guys o sawe me so we nwen ni ye adu guy mu go. O ya adu guy mu. Oh. Wa salo ari ko no wa. Giyan ya wa giyan. Okay. Wa giyan. Bet of the same feather. Kwa wa giyan. Bird of the same feather, they flock together. Bird of the same feather. Susie. I'm not going here. Susie, ki Suzuki. Suzuki, Kiki. What is happening? What is happening? Suzuki. He has that you now. He has that you. Suzuki has that you. He has that you. He has that you. Suzuki. Suzuki is time of them. This time of them is that you. You must start. 2 months to start. Suzuki. Abola we. Inyo guebe. Inyo gunre. Ni peke na okun. Latin. That is it. O wa ho a. We ma get to wa ho a. O wa ho agbon wa ye. Egwe mu wa. Menu menwe obi ya mi no de no let's that we bu. All do I correct to what? All do I talk the you agbe. Egwe mu susu. We my way I yegbe. We my way dieme. Susu, we my way dieme. Susu, we my go dieme. Beto ko ogbo. Susie, we may go dieme. Who betu zua imasewe. Susie, imasewe. Suzuki, imasewe. Idewe. Egbe homesewe. Inepe Isha, we rehearse arrest. Madam Balegui. We rehearse arrest. Okay, Susie. Who are they going to carry? Ni mukiwa. Ni ati yo tire wa hian. Wa bola wa gbe wa o. Man wa zuwa. Very illiterate people. Bunch of fools. The money man egbe. The money zuwa. So you expect me when imagine ni an dere a club bi hian le hotel hian a party hian. Am party rockers. Onye mu ya de obodo wa zuwa ba bola wa gbe. Wa bota ba bogu yo la wa. Devin wa ma egiere wa gi owore. I love you. Baba with this man. I love you. You wa go awe GPC. Devin here ma hu. Devin wa ba hu. Baba with this man. He have yenwe mama. He mienwe. He riza de. He adere nwe. Eni poye na choose. Eni poye na sign moto na. Eni poye baka. Yeah, you have the nipple, mama, nipple, you back in the loop. Mama, we go bon. Mama, go GPC, GPC, Osoko, GPC, Asoko, GPC, Ashiwele. Wow. Susie. Zaga. Why put you out here? You bought your agbon. Mugus. You want me mugus? You're mugus. Eh? Avec Susie. Susie. Now frustrated woman. Frustrated. Look at it. Go where you are frustrated. May I make a call? May I daddy number? We make Susie. Avec Susie.
Pretty J, Snow White, organic, very nice. You see my face without makeup. I don't make up. You see, at my age, I don't have Mama Lagos. Like that wrinkle, you see, I don't have it.
Kunuweni! Kunuweni! Susi, Kunuweni! Umego Kiomene. At the end, I don't have it. Wow, look the live video. Wow. All the live video. I do a sample igbe. Don't be customer. What be a what do you see? What do live video? Sometimes usually come, especially you say why you they talk like you don't give. Sometimes it depends how your body feels. After you want to get a voice no get akpiya. Melwe voice man. A voice no get me ya agbo yan. Abi ko dan. Na be GPC. Na GPC go ya. So that is it's very nice. Okay. Now let's this Africa. Shut up there. Do my Suzuki. Let me tell you, do my Suzuki, you are a mad woman. Do my more about this man. Go and ask. More somebody big aging. Go and ask of me. Go and ask. Your name Okabe community. Go and ask. More piloting. Go ask. Who what bear you are. Susie, a woman, why, my brother, then it. When I know when we're fear, a bomb where you are not yanni. I will be again, Mufiani, Mufia will be a Diani. Even here, let him your way, Susie. What bear you are. Be a gano. Are they be cutting women? Yare Begumen. Yare Bebo Gumen don't know if you know. Again, another video. Your oh, go wow. Who I win? That's the reason why I don't delete videos. Yeah, I'm going to delete it. Yeah, one of my fuck ups. Yeah, you delete it. You delete it. See what I try, man. I will disgrace you worldwide. If you try me, I will disgrace you worldwide. I don't care. And yeah, I will make sure I'm aware. He prove about him aware. He disgrace me worldwide. I will share it. Everybody will see it. Like mad woman. Be a ganugu. I got ebona huwa. Ebona huwa. They na record go. My here or get no view. La de last. Yeah, look for it. See, Michael, not look for it. You see, this one's sharp. If I want to clean away, money is not the problem. On the pen, because it's so painful. To draw that for you and I find I can imagine when I draw them, you can't pay when I do. And if you are cleaning, it's even more painful than you are drawing it. You understand? Yes, so my people agree with me. I just started analyzing Susie. I passed it, which is the top of life in the soul. Where on the look, we don't know that she be the evil woman. If we don't know her because she was not bringing out her face before she come out her face. So after months of frustration, what she did, you understand? Now she be the Iyowa of Eddie Murphy, a reality talk show. This says Susie. You got dodo. A party bear. Jembo on a bit by the Murphy yo. On a bit by the Murphy and I won't be here. At the Nania, a party Murphy I preach with a body more. Susie Lamina. You know someone outside party Murphy I said on you again. So then they appreciate that there's no such for children. Why they forgot that they have humiliated for children? Why did they try? But I try because if I'm asked one, we want one after the other. Sagana, you know, you go to go forward. When you people have insulted most children all those years, now I don't appreciate when I get about them. Wala. Well, no one not be who I want to get here. I said, Bino. I said, but said be. No. What do I preach? What do I preach in the live video? Who were you where you do the arm about Bokkeken? If I give all the you don't do the man down. Yamwe Bogbe. When I am a when I am even all no way give when I give when I go to destiny. You're more you're salon. The same you are coming to come and form, you are too innocent that you have not committed sin. Don't worry. So when time when e can we work bolonyari bedoni bolonya here you reckon you and I will be proving you wrong of your deed one by one. All your behavior and way we open gradually. Why not social media? Who are going to why not a social media or you will know the implication of social media. Give away. Anya zolo whether they zolo is zolo like any who got to think you are a mad woman. You think what making one attractive way. That's why I that number. I will go donation for cost. I'll go donation for Oduna. I'll go donation for France. Wow. Go and do what you want to do. And I am ready for you. Physically able, I'm ready for you. You understand? You are a human trafficker, and I will prove it to you. Man. With your passport, I will lock you. With your documents, I will jail you in this Europe. You are a trafficker. You are a human trafficker. Susie, I prove it to you. What bell? Even what bello and why are you going? What are painted why you are so good? A guest in Wamuri, they are still on this Europe. They are still on this Europe. Abidjan. Wow.
So that is I love it.
Me mana you why do we na me ewebo. Me mo you why do we na me ewebo. Mo hia mo why problem we na.
Don't mention my name on your platform.
Wemeni eni gbe agia.
Call my name. Is that your useless mouth? Don't call my name again.
Unu we yak pe kiane. Unu we yak pe kiebo. Unu yak pe ke Ghana. Unu yak pe ke Senegal. We wonu. Unu me na no wa mo anu no re na. Me na we na am yegburu. Unu me na kisu we. Uwe here u ya gbemila. Susi. Me na you nu me na kisu we lo. I me na you nu me na ya kisu we. U ya gbemila ni. U ya gbemila ne gbewe. U ya gbemila ya gbe ne gbewe. Me na you nu me na ya kisu we. U ya gbemila ya gbe ne gbewe. Agwa be you I na ye gbe. Wa gbe wekin. Me we na ye gbe. O ma gbe wekin. Me ma gbe agia yan ti ya ye gbe. Susi. Bi ma gbe agia yan ti ya ye gbe. Bi ma wo bele go sumo mo ni yan ti ya ye. Ma wo be ti ya ye gbe na. No.
Am I your mate?
No.
You were making a case of anything.
No, man.
I carry away. Experience of life, money, documents. Am I your mate?
No.
You are here.
No. Susie, in experience of life, you are not my mate. My sister, my mom may survive. Hey, my trouble even. Muere, beduve mugie. Viens take woman. Lolo. Not below. It goes well. It goes where you love. So who is where you love for? Lolo been a Melissa. Who is where you love for? One another for here. Make at the see the name. Which person for this social media? Which goes where you love for? One another for here. If Ben mugie, Lolo no, they Melissa, the man mugie. All the right of inside the Gumeya. You are a mad woman. Egbe wo when egbe or when ya more that for no say Spain no wo wagbon e wo bi ya more that for no say Spain in all the kingdom of life are we mate? How can we be mates? I cannot be a mate to a bitter soul like you. Susie, we can never be mate to a bitter soul like you. Now Susie, let me okay Lolo, good, thank you very much for that. Lolo and Susie, my people are begging on right and put for this my platform. Who better pass? As we speak right now, Lolo and Susie, who better pass? I know they support Lolo. I will just say the way it is. Lolo and Susie, the numbers say, if you do what I'm who better pass? Lolo, where Susie go swear for? Not below now, Lolo enemy go swear for because now the swear now Lolo now Susie body day. Okura kwiri unwo ya mwe unwo we ya mwe ebonu we ti obe love we na Susu go make able ajala we ya ti the law ni or do award we na because in no evidence of rumors, in all rumors there's evidence of truth. In all rumors there is evidence of truth. Everybody ga go jogo me magbe odo he you wa or see na go na fi we no fi make or see no make dey ka ge ya gbe se e tete live video. Oh yes. Do mami obo no born when ku tun wa born ni a reason if papa ma la we social media e Susu because everyone went in a lot of man clean e bucket gbe o ka ya go mana o ya ge nu ti eba o ya go one body abewe he will come and hit you. That's the reason why you are frustrated today. That's the reason why you remain backward. That is the reason you remain backward, because everybody waiting a lot if a back to sender. Anybody that take your mother to Shiran, wherever they are, no matter how the Shiran is, no Shiran is strong past God. Because he said, greater is he that is in me, and that Ogboni and that Ayala in his heart. You get that. You are a mad woman. They go use their head carrying akwara kuri nwa ya mo esususi nwa ya mo mi nwa ya so mi dana benu ya mo so mi dana ria benu ya mo e bole so mi dana e bo ni igi wo na he igi ogu we o hena ya he wo ha isango ni ogbu e afanuko ni ogbu e afanuko ngwe sango ngwe ni o ya agbu e me wala de no ti e bo nu gwe de ro obi gwe pele do your worst. I'm challenging you now, do your worst. Ogun ya gbu we sususi mo ta na ogun o ya gbu e ogun na me ya gbu e ogun ni re ga gbu e ogun ni si de ga gbu e. Do your worst. You are a mad woman. You think I be susu, you think I be lolo, you look like lolo. You are a mad woman. If I be law egbe, you bloody civilian. Do your worst. Let me see you. Where we are una born, where we Ghana born, where you go and meet your juju people now. All those your boyfriend, call them to order. Call them to order so they go so frank. I go pay you our go. Many women, they are all law we were how one asalo ne kwemu ewo bi we wedede uzuwa royo why you gbama na yan the copy why you my copy obi amimi wow ewe action one mass a goat oh we goat me mug ozuwa no makon e mamu na wayekowa wazuwa gon hian
uga mi chopo na ukiya leru. The way I arrested and I can't this is just the beginning of you. We got me trouble where you pay for your qualon. Okay, I'm almost all over West of Ivy. If it's all, eh?
You too small. He may be done well.
Your paternity away. Any party on the corner is the lake here. Only a business away. Where can I get a laugh for when? Where can the control me look over? I get a laugh for when.
What do you make over?
Want to stone to have I see.
Suzuzi nuke arewe banwa e banmano nuweke arewe bo Suzuzi is it today, but today you are still working. Iwaya resign, stupid set of women. Suzuzi Iwaya, I have a woman in my area here. Ovie e groino imani sweni ye wono odowa yon pa e black in the city mama odowa what single mother. The other one, the next ekinaya demi, oguni kinye koda fun iyan dowa. The Germany one. Odoame. If you see their children, you would love to have kids in Europe. Uga maybe the more compose here. You would love to have kids in Europe. See this set of single mother squad association, no matter bawge mo, no file mo kwa, okpare Nigeria pa Europe. Why do I go and love you? Look at your set of people. Bed of December that flocks together. No be only be of in Nigeria. No kere ma bi ma ho. No kere we bo. No ye go ma ya agbe tenten. O ma bi ma ho. No kere we bo. No kere we ki bi ka we bo ma bi ma ho. Yan ye wu mi ya gbelisa we na go gbe. Wa ho wa do gba de pe no do agbele spend you are here for nothing sake. Ba bolla wa gbe. Ikpenu waga ye spend we ya shine. Nu waga ye spend we ya fresh. Oni ya fie kun ekun yo. Wa ho wa bi go dan. Ko na ona gbo pe edo we bo na ba bo ga la wa gbe. Iba bota ba bo wa la wa gbe. Na fie kun ye ho. Omo lare wa salo a. Gwan ya un. We no 45 years. 9 years. 25 years or ya gbe we bo na. 9 years or ye. Ogun ye lawe bu, ye na me documents. 9 years. Oya me documents we bu. Okay, are in Nigeria. Good. What do we have?
Eh? 5 years here for the weapon. After we clear mesos and wrong do it. In a swan, the pena ya winning no match.
5 years. 5 years. Or ya clear Osaloro. 5 years or ya big biagia. Ya clear Osaloro. 5 good years. Una ya good biagia. Anyway, madam will charge you way. Is it billions? Billions. Although balance the obu. Billions. Although balance the madam. We don't go. Uwe tiaki. Uwe danu mure we na mure make. Uwe na tiaki we ni gbeti. All your ibieka ya nijebu all to go 1 year, 2 years, near balancing madam. They are free. They are free. I know of a girl no balancing madam now. A year and 2 weeks. Ebo mamugone. Ikpakbu he no ya kungo. Vitaliba. Alexandra Vitali. A year and 2 weeks. Or ya balancing madam. 40,000 euros. Ama egwe. Ege na gwana yare. Ege lire. Ege li. Ne ya gbe ya disappoint we suzu. Uye ti ya. Okeke de ko ya mu we suzu no ga gwan because wo o degi yeke. Ahon we be machine be saske pass. Wa ya aguneru wala wa aguneru wala. Wa ni buka de ga bona keru wala. Eru wala no ye Nigeria you go and come because why they ko no anybody ko no die. Where is your own? Ya egbe. Destiny backward we are going to want nakedness of the no why show example. Destiny backward is flying Europe. Is not Schengen nation. Destiny backward is flying Schengen nation. When I'm nakedness of Destiny backward la jam. U yere beje wa baje kwale life speak for Italy. U heyo were agree baba akwa for Nigeria. Once in 2 years or 6 years. Wow. We no long Uzua baba ya wa unwa gboye. Imam mo wa ye ko wa. Mo che bono na ya Chegbo wa woni ere papa gume wa zaga wa gun wa ya kore abe wo bi no mama oni owo a iya mi eti abasuwa because wa go kokiyan was the no gbiyan omon ni ra je ye ma gegi on o nyisi ya ko bole o de yere ya arulele na ye yere ni because ya ma gegi wa okon wa de iwo okon wa de jofia o ma kan ohun wa so far they are being at what you go what you go kiyan oni yan jinwa azua wa any problem ni an tiguwa so a problem in 1 naira in answer ben wa 10 naira because you people are not responsible. You people are not responsible. A problem in €1 in answer ben wa 60 euro. Your parents because why am I igaiwa suzuzi igai ogni 70 million pekus no yamu for 5 years. Ware road work eke adekpo ikalaba adekpo kokobiri kpo Senegal kpo Igambia kpo Feko Igbo kpo Morocco kpo Bangladesh kpo Algeria kpo Arisho kpo Akuma kpo Ijian kpo Inyoko kpo Magali kpo Malaga kpo Eya kpo ewa bola we gbe no pe ugbe Italy kwere Italiano bene man Italy ma se bene sa una de Spain o ya Spano bi Inyaku Morocco bi Arabo bi Meneke bi Olokoto bi Alaku bi Uhepa what ye gbo woba oku work bara uhe na mure Michael where yes Susie you are Susie aka uhe na mure Michael uhe na mure Michael ege one of sheshe ge wow ma gbon working ya so no yin ma gbon se fere ri an ring ama we no fe we no zoo we no go awa be you are Susie aka uhe na mure Michael aka Igwabe Avenue aka ege uhege no oyi tawa lapa
Okay.
Buga gwan be gbo ya bi
Ike me baby. Good morning, my darling. In when no match up in it. You understand? Ike do me be. Ana me gwe ejeji ngwe je na me gbere we po me ne pe ne. Be ma ko pe no tori e pe me. I ma ko no tori e pe.
beautiful Why don't first of all, when 9 years you got here, maybe you 9 years Europe, you know maybe. When they follow presenters, when they put on ear for grant, well, that one still lie today. It's someone woman pay day Italy, the woman and friend, two of them together, they live together, they together, they chop together, they not gonna see money. The woman don't spend 100 years for Europe. 100 years for Europe, that woman don't spend for this abroad. You let I talk for live video today. Before they call deport the woman go Nigeria. As they deport the woman reach Nigeria, the woman children come by the woman, can the woman call the drive. Now 100 years old woman go to Europe. They come deport and go back to Nigeria. When they found Europe, when I ask me, when they found Europe, presenter where they lie, they don't know some people they will listen to them. Yeah, boy, you told anyway now. Or what never already be 100 years in the webo. You was seeing one or see where or will not be 100 years now. See where Jerema, you go the passage le Joshua. Understand? They don't say when you are if you get demoted one and if you put in Nigeria. If man is another year at all. Now we told you, but to cook me, who way, any baby. That's Susie gone. Now the list of Susie now. If I thought just now said 9 years, 9 days, European get documents. 5 years, 90 balance, madam. And people. Oh God. Yet again. I don't feel that. I mean, when I told you, una when they listen to presenter. See, in every nonsense, there's a sense of when they pick the sense for instance. When they look the nonsense when they talk, majority for this our women. Now nonsense, nowhere. I will explain. I don't live with them. I don't hear their conversation. I don't see whether they talk. So I know what thing that they feel. And I know what thing that they pass through for inside house. I just come and they expose them. That be the problem. What did I do then? I just the way they expose them. They let them know so where they want to get wrong. Me, they know they deceive them again. It's just that you come out, they okay. They're not they okay. Majority of our prisoners they use drugs, they sleep. And they use time, they boast on. If it's still said, I will mention their name. I see them, I know. You understand? If they don't take drugs, they don't sleep. It's about with this man. Loneliness keep faster than HIV. The reason for many presenters today are loneliness. Don't say they get what they want to present. We don't get what we want to present now loneliness. First, we get better man for us. When the man come enter like this, he cook for and eat, they sleep, they tap, they play off. Even though you know the knack, they use on the drive, they use on the tongue steering. Not the two steering with the chest, now they use on the tongue steering. The tongue steering. At least the woman mind go cool down. No husband, no wife. Or you have on live video, bam. Start the talk. Story where you don't know. You want to talk about live video. You will come up for Nigeria when you this small. How you take hear those stories where they talk. Now you school, you not go, you know not to read, not to write. A person go write topic for you, and they go talk fast. I don't want to talk, oh. I don't want to talk. 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 Suzuki, who talk again? You see the way Suzuki did? He too they lie. You too they lie. And that lie they pay me. This video way you do so, eh? I not send the insult when insult me. I swear to God, the insult when this woman insults me about this man, I not send them at all. The reason why I can't deal with her and the lie with inside this video. And the lie and the deal with her so. She now said, the tell me now say, 5 years, he don't get ballet again. He forget now say, he don't talk just now say, 9 years, now he take get paper before he can the work. Now, when he first talk before, he said 5 years, now he take work for him. After he work for that man, instead of the hustle, how he want to get in paper, then income they do black minor job. That was what he said before. Now and again, now you see, you can control truth forever. You cannot control lies forever. That's truth. That's just the nature of life. You can control honestly forever, but you can never control truth and lies forever, because one day you will definitely speak the truth. It's just the way it is. By the time you try to control lies, you lie more. When you are too smart to control lies, you lie more. You keep becoming a liar. You keep lying and lying. You understand? Okay, now I want to ask. You get pale. Which country when you not marry Igbo? According to you, you say you not married. You don't marry Igbo to get back. When you not marry Igbo, go give you pale for 4 years. Go grant you pale 4 years. Which document they give you 5 years? Or on the they give you before you apply for pale? Come down. Where's the lie? Lie is you. And you lie pass. Lie no soba. What do we say? Go here. Beautiful. He said government pass law. Then take paper. And that time, now he said take paper. When they pass law, just say when they do this what's it they call it? What they call this what they do for Italy now? Lavoro something then they do for Italy. 2 years when they give so what they do recently for Italy. That was last year. The same thing now occur for their own occasion. When they give them 2 years. And after that, you go look for a job, they work. Some don't go work because some they do even they'll put their paper for autonomous. Like they work, they pay tax. So when that's the year when they give you rich, you go use your tax payments, go to renew the paper. How you take before they'll come give you unbefitted, before you go apply for passports, and it will take you years. And forget to say now you get Spanish passports. Now Spanish passports to the hustle for beg girl where they make noise. So if it does Zanzana for Italy for many years for Italy, Zanzanization, a Guago association, we don't have Guago, both for Brescia. In a big agbe. A couple of big agala with Italy. No, do I make him at ya say Napoli, Torino, Abi Yagbe, and I you are Bobby Bia, you boom Biayowa, you are Mr. Monique Bia, Babola. Suzuzi, Mabuwe, the Norfolk Street. Mabuwe, the Norfolk Street. Suzuzi, let me tell you, remember where Ebo were friend. Mabuwe, look at me and you, listen to you, me and you talking on this social media server space. Don't know how negbe oko webo. Don't know how no webo negbe oko. Ebo nu we mu degbe oko we ta lo le lupo hian. We ta lo le lupo hian. Ebo ni memu me se ti awe video ni mi ata lo le lupo hian. Or he has to work most of the question, what's going on? Why would you be talking? What's the problem? No answer. Wait, see, when they listen, all that glitters are not good, though. All this one they talk say, hey, now they see how they able to do. I don't get many of my friends, the better. If you see the house, you will hate. When I tell you to make video, it has for social media. No, make a matter now. No, make a live video. Why we not video? What are you? Accommodation here, boy. No video, what they apart from where for the do video, make video inside. You don't know somebody with them near you. I know. You know you research when you die. The day where I discover Suzuki when he lie, when he hear your record Suzuki, we're not going to remember that video. When he hear your record Suzuki conversation, all the lie, all the gossip, Suzuki gossip for this social media. When he hear you, when I can't discover when he hear you, that day after that video, Suzuki invested for the city where in there. I don't want to mention that city. May not be like say I can cast everywhere. Because if I mention the city, you will know who tell me. She will know the person. Will tell me. Suzuki. And even I want this Monica, Suzuki, this is going to be your last warning for you. This is going to be a last warning. If you make me vex, Suzuki, if you make, I know they threaten you. No, I'm not like they threaten my senior. You know, good Frank. Why are you rude? Are you mad? Frank, are you okay? Why are you insulting your senior? Why are you rude to your senior? Talk to them politely. Frank, talk to them politely. Frank, if I'm not insulting senior way. What way? Are you okay? How can you be insulting Suzuki? In fact, if I'm not, what Frank now? Frank, are you okay? Are you mad? Are you mad? Frank, are you mad? Why would you be insulting your senior? I'm sorry. Remember, I'm sorry. Remember, I'm sorry. Remember, I'm sorry. I just reverse. I reverse. You still insult her. Don't insult her. Talk to her politely. Give her polite insult. Don't insult her. How can you insult your senior? Don't insult your senior, Frank. Frank, I'm warning you. Don't insult your senior. Give her polite insult. Respect her. Why would you not be insulting her? I'm not happy with you. Frank, I'm not happy with you. Frank, I'm not happy with you. Don't be insulting your senior like this. Are you okay? Are you okay? No, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I just got angry. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry. I will not do that next time. Sorry, sir. Just need to talk to her politely. Polite, Abby. Susie. Don't shout again. Don't shout. Don't shout at them like that. Don't shout at them. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I will not shout at them. She's provoking me. She's provoking me. Sorry, sir. Susie, you are lucky that Frank said I should not be. Umewe said I should not be insulting you like that. You understand? Umewe, he said I should not insult Frank. I should not insult Susie. Umewe. You say I should not insult Susie again. Okay. But I want to warn her. I need to warn her now. Because tomorrow will be too late. I need to warn Susie. Susie, in a very polite manner. Let me address you. Let me address you because when I said I should not insult you again, I want to address you in a polite manner. Madam Susie, Your Highness, the Ekia Magwala Progressive Union. I greet you, Madam. Would you respect Madam Susie? Let this be the first and last. Good. Open that your gutter. That your gutter. That your mat. We don't take Bangladesh. Where you go to talk to a person like me. You feel me so? That's number one. Because while they're talking, I do my coffee. You know why they're talking? If you know soon, Monica, I get to soon. Well done, you're my sister. If you know soon, Monica, I get soon. I have all the evidence to really deal with you well. Don't be joke. I'm not a joke. Now that's what I do, according to you. Now, if you put me for hassle, you understand, you know. I'm not gonna comment to. Say you know. I never super duro. Say you know. Which you're Latin. I not get house. Say you know. I not build house. Say you know. We date tenant. Say you know. It don't better go where. Say you know. If you okay that say you know. I not be Bini. Say you know. You say I think we if you okay my view of so Joma woto Suzuzi. Joma woto tameta na wobinyo. Joma woto obele go some money. Joma woto wobinyo tameta na. Don't let me come for you. No edu arule una dega ono kuwe. I tell you, don't let me start. If I start, as I also be just rest there. As you kokomo, I talk be you kokomo see I just did not verse. I know so you call me this morning say I beg. They cannot talk to Suzuzi again. They cannot talk to Yeboye again. You beg me, you understand? And I agree. Both you and a party no verse. I know so you talk a party call yours now. You know what it mean? Or we mura pampa we. Or we mura papa we. I see mura any and mura any guys. You understand? Party agui. You know kokomo. You know kokokiao. You know kokomo no Germany. Aguma. La agui. Very sorry. Understand? You do a video now. Because even when you do because you wanna go na oga ateni because e dey obe yawe no ya ari ebe boki mo ilolo wo ga ateni ye hiri ojuga ye e na oni ka ma egwe ofen no de yogu no de keni meje o ti a oduma de keni presenter ni kai bo be keni menu menwaye gai ofen no de ni wa fi apara okun de keni ji e ti te bonu sorry to say but I'm just tell you the truth. You understand me now? You wa tamo e want no me. As you talk, I cannot mention your name, but I go see the name. If you warrant me to mention your name, I'm going to mention your name. As far as you don't decide to show me that. So remember my one thing. That one when you talk, say, you know what they hear your name from my mouth. Who talk, okay, my sister. If you don't want to hear your name from my mouth, you go pack your load, leave social media. As far as you did the social media, if I dey talk your matter come matter go talk. That's me for you. Imo amorokwa. Edo where uwo have miame why? Una say me na. When no when ikwani, you want saka wasaka. I don't send you go phone. Where can like we go be Nigeria go fit. Ege we ya are we ya agbo ya ga obo me ye gbe lo go fit here igwe. Oh ye gia be be gie na we bo we wasale lo bo kwe ga are do gere. Una say me na. Usu wana le Nigeria de wa re what have been ku we budo ayi zo be value wa nwa. Vinu ku iwe agbe nebo make na adegu wa nebo ade wa aruko nebo ade wa ma do awo wa wada iba bola we gbe a o gbo we a we gba this o nu me a o nu we me a usu no ya sa me ye bokete gia be bokete ya da be rigo re ya aya fi we hele ga fi we ade me be nu wa zoro yo le ru yo o kwa ya we wa dane ha ya ku mi ame ku frustration you agbere wa dani ha odo agu me pela video ba bola we are you mad? Oh sorry e woni etie boba e woni etie bo no ma we get etie bo no ma do agu egu ni sorry sir I will not insult again the slipper have gone. I don't want to insult her again. She's my sister. I don't want to insult her. She's my sister. I don't want to insult her. You might only insult you. Why you take it sort in the una dey pick sense for inside. Una dey collect sense for inside. Now they follow. Maybe like say na dey feel. You dey enter. You get to the enter. It's that story. But the form style of here, not gonna oof the go. No don't need. Asalo. He remain the men, and they come for the men. Our men, we are the misbehave now. Oh wow, the twelve. I go to him. I will just that me. Oh wow, the 12. Drunk. Go to the way. Why you wearing? What's now? Why you see the moment now? If you put in a go away, understand? As soon as you are there, you are ball loud. You are mad woman. You look like Hussein. Every minute wearing. Me wearing buggy man. Every buggy man. You wearing this all day. And this all day me buggy man. Suzuzi. You may go. You winner. You may be. The marriage just many me. Yeah, why fancy me on my wire was. I fancy no one support you. You go you go adi. Akabati gare la gare. Wa age marriage join marriage governor. You know why? Because I get good man. I want to use this video to first of all pray for all the women who did this platform. All the women who did this platform. Both the one we support, both the one we not support, both the one we write congratulations. What do we pray for me? What do we pray for my sister? What do we pray for my family? May God bless them. Not too much. Everything when I use my hand, they look for good things. God will definitely grant them for now. Because we get good hearts. Because we get sense. Because of that brain we God given them. Because of that wisdom we God given them. Because of that good mind we God given them. God will definitely grant them for now abundantly. That's the reason why. Now the women I want to pray for. But the men, not too staging. I must tell them the truth. Enough is enough. Sometimes we need to tell ourselves the truth. For this is my platform and I talk. I'm not going for that place. Ikbiani wale lumenwe. Emi do wagbe. No be lie o. Emi do wagbe na too staging. Una too staging. But no mature pass. Una get sense. But na greediness. I wonder whether not go take care of na heart for us. I wonder whether not go be give una wife money for us. Our men for abroad, especially the one they follow this platform. If you do what we, yes, so one of the get heart of giving for this abroad. What would they so? Me now my testimony they give so, and they give my testimony. Women for this platform now God will bless you now double, triple. Oh no why? The women not be only for you this platform alone. As abroad the law, abroad as a whole, or Igbo as a whole. This is a webo. Canada, whatever country where you do, you're not going to go. Even for that, go even reach Nigeria. You see all those women, and God will bless them. I don't know why. Two things. Now that we test our men for this platform. Two good things. One, I don't say our men, you get ready for the still good. Yes, I'm not saying God will still bless them, but at least make them. I talk to them, I'm going to change. Because I want more wantable, because we are few new with it, because he gave one on the way. You understand? Women good, fine, but women, the kind of heart where God give women to say that they see men will be really they open up, they follow that. Our women, no one will know the husbands. If for the heart when they see woman, we know the husbands. The way God they bless our women, God they open their heart they free to men. If to say our men, they okay like that, they really free their heart with our women like that. No, it go hard when you see women know the husbands. This platform, my laptop spoiled for this platform. I can't define how I want to buy laptop. Now, woman buy this laptop. Not people with the smile. Woman, I know of woman who give me money 2 times for this laptop. You give me 100,000. You give me 70,000. One particular woman for this laptop. And so women they donate money. Money when they donate give me for this laptop. If you buy 2 laptops, 2. Woman, I come before say, Frank, I want to buy you a laptop. I want to buy you a Apple laptop from America. Do that why they look for this laptop. Woman, I buy them. Women go they call. They want to buy this one for you. They want to buy this one for you. They want to do this one for you. Where are our men? They need to do one thing. They need to do one thing. And what about that thing? The truth is bitter. Somebody have to say it. We're not a beg. When you see somebody do what you like, you love somebody, you go appreciate that person. You go appreciate that person. You dey feel me so? And the truth. But our men, it's a run. Isaga, eno. Ikobo here, I did for one. One area, the other one. Yeah. Me they surprised the way we met it. When I go insult any woman when they come my platform, they go Google kill now. Anybody will go insult any woman within my platform again. Oh, Google kill now. Now, 2 things make me want to Suzuki. I go play that place just now. The second place. Me, I block this one. So I'm the first person I go to block this evening. You understand? They pay you to tell you the truth. Tell the truth. Because why? If you do not be me, ask many presenters. Let us be frank. You don't know what they talk. If we don't be presenter with the second ourselves, we they talk. We tell ourselves the truth. We see the call each other after. We see the call each other after I play. We see the saw. Other side. But the guys go today too hot to my brother. We only make me. We make me again. We're bullying the book. You don't understand? But you go hear that presenter say, go say, oh boy, all those women they help you. Not let go. Yeah, saying it right. But what we say we have a man. Yeah, say we are going to give one. I'll give a live video. But if they get problem, they can't forgive you. Who made this one go now? They don't want to mauna. They don't want to be me. They don't want to live more. They don't want to mauna Sunday more. They don't want to mauna. I'm not even sleep. Every year, I live video. But you mean one area? Hey, another pure water. But equal no when the man this going. Now those women they even help us. Now those women they support us. If you check my life, if you check now they give me stuff for this platform for this women talk show. Now women, men not get card, not get card, not get Mastercard, not get Mastercard. If you check who they give super chat me for my platform for YouTube, now woman. For Facebook, oh, now woman. You they hardly see man press super chat give you press. Who if they never go see man super chat me, I go announce that man. I'll give her a word. Yeah, what would they give me? I'll go give her for hands. So yeah, I'm here. Everything a woman. A woman want to try. I mean, I also not just going to try. I don't know what I will stick on my phone. Very well. I'll create a day for una. That day, no me do my own thing. Now not be judgeability. No say man, if I praise for me, for give me money. No, when una own day rich, women day rich, we know what they do for this platform. That is the day where they dedicate they give una. You understand? For real, I use this video talk on the track. And the reason why I want this because and the cost where it cost my followers for this platform. Now I want this one. I'm not the plan to put it. Okay, just by him. Good. So it's Susie. No be comment now. Tinya me wo. Who were tie body bia vinya and in arrive and comment. I think a live video when the followers or when ni down who were with your body bia tinya ho. Ni ma na ya grian tinya zugo anya bia. Ikpe ni o wa pe ni gwalo ni la lo he no. I think when be toast we ya hin. Ikpe ni zuo a le we here e ya hin. Because we no dey ndegbe e kin arrive and we are because we be zuo we yan. Oh, me go see no dey so time cross no verse. No verse, sorry, verse. You understand? Cross no verse. But the truth, I think when you read and even down your way to Bonikbia, this is the reason why I come out for the social justice. This is my point. The reason I came out categorically, it came or come. Came in the past tense. I never threw the light, I still did that level. Is it coming or continuous tense? Present continuous tense. I mean a past participle. You understand? The reason why I come out for this is because of this particular point and the other lie we lie. Say in the Europe 5 years, 19 for 5 years, 90 balance, madam. Before you get people. Now years, 90 get go Nigeria. And the and I talk again. And the can't you see? I'm a sadist. You have the lack of maybe you are a young lack of maybe you are a young lack of no husband, no boyfriend, should be a trouble or while should be a trouble or not enough while they start to way while they start to way if it's all you can wear it. Don't measure my name again without your dirty thing to call it out. Stay away from me. Don't measure my name again. He was walking. Ozuo ama moki old cargo. Begbe wo isan. Odo mi kian no ye we matu. Begbe ne we bu ari wa. Suzuzi. Ihu we rokpagire we bu. 25 years in Europe, you are still fully yourself. One room, mighty rents. We score the cable, no, we score the cover. By Mugu. Okay. Mugu, also. 25 years, when you are back, you are still fully yourself around on social media. No pedigree. Oh, one man, we're born, you came up from a good home, is that why you came to Europe for prostitution? Suzuzi, I'm talking to you. If you were okay in Nigeria, you would have come to Europe for prostitution. You would have come to Europe for human trafficking. Look at the people that is talking. Eskumayo, Umaye Esku, Umau, Umaha, do be a well language school, do get to the educated this much. Asaloa. Someone go and sit down there, my friend. Who your name here? Muere. Muere la sister. Muere be a mama. Muere so anywhere na Suzy. No who are you? Oh, the one of the universe. Not talking about Europe. You go there, you go nowhere. Mom, we're here. You are here, but you boa. When I'm a baby, be a go. When I'm a baby, Umebe we ti to Europe randi. We no me be we to Europe randi ne kwena mu e. Esther o edokpa yi. Esther do ye edokpa yi no ma gbo me. Esther wa ye pa wo ma no wa ye pa wo ma no so lo bo ade ba. La o da o am Esther. Yes. Esther o edokpa yi. O mari e bodo gbigbi agia. O mari do sale ki ayuwe. O mari do kwa le document. O to Europe ozwo. Ozwo. The same person who are not frustrated. Or not the frustrated one. O solo bo aga frustrated one. Wa mo dika wa o ho a. I will be where did it. I will to down waye. Our career. Ena gba enu pogodo. Ijo nisan. Wa salo. Resta to European. Who dey jeka gege. We get yangi jeka gege ya you can you e de gbe yo via ho e ke iro nyuhe we Ukraine. Oh you can last 2 months we go nyare na dia. You can every minute every second. What's you always the social media ozu no ma kon da bola we. Iro nyuhe. Gele sasu yi west no ma go be ni odo. Gele ni odo. I mean ya down there UK. Well, no, yeah, 25 years ago, 25 years in Europe, you zoo Europe one also. Either you area UK, you go the figure, you're not done what. Oh, yeah, going for about this man. Are you where? It don't know. Oh, very then you know the way we do view. Oh, the Baba, or zoo. What's what you are available? Oh, what you? But money not go invested there. Oh, ma wa be wa play kwa Nigeria, what invest in Europe? Was zoo. Wow. We better. What brag you 25 years in Europe, 45 years no achievement. 100 by 100 would there in Nigeria be too flat here. Was so that video about all. Who will my word was so that video? He be 25 years in Europe, it was so. Oh, why you cannot invite somebody to your house? You cannot invite people to Europe and you spend 25 years. What is the reason of spending 25 years in Europe as well? 25 years in the Biag. Wow, Apollo. Where do I prad one of your via boon? One I go on a go. What do I go on with that video? I had 35 years. I way also about my way. I go of your day. My way to be I go most frustration day. Yeah, 24 BT. 24 BT. Get Barry. Would be a June. Yassily, yet do you book. Yassil, obey what I asked there. Was Royo. I want to more idea webo me or Korea on my own. Then why we even why you can't salute so I will never you why Sarah Mother what guy. Wow. Amu unamure Michael Igwabe Avenue Ologbo Junction Asalo Awakure ado am wa hunu wa de pepepep la video we ke borokino de huwa kwe borokino te piano amure piano papa for amure piano give it to me why give it to me et ya nyu we no we te ka nyu he why you do go live video wa I mean, I've been 25 years in Europe, 25 years in Europe for inside frustration, for inside humiliation, for inside disgraced. Still get man, they talk. Go and get life. So go and sleep, go cook beans. Papa, go despise me, go cook beans. May God don't let me be. See, for this abroad, it's very easy to buy house. If you are working, if you are a working class person, it's easy for you to buy house when you pay your tax. You carry money for bank. They pay small. No 500 euros or pay every month. They tax already. Well, we're not there. Business wise, no wise. No mentality is just to buy, go Nigeria, build 4 flats or build 2 flats, finish or build hotel. Where you they stay here, the people where you born here, no go pick we can okay. No go pick buy house, make get house for here. Now when they spend all the money for give for house. Now spend for house finish, and go still rich house, they go still for Journal. Also, now come like they make paper. You think I'm thinking about the coffee where you build for house? I don't think about it. All those one are nonsense where you build for house. I respect those people that do things here. Yeah. If you be big man, you get one, buy house for you. I go to wallet for you. The reason why they respect my senior man, my chairman, that is our quite sad woman. They are gathered good of a domicile. The only man way they in Nigeria. Yeah, that's for UK. You get out for Europe here. Or Spain. You know to marry and you come away. You know. I'm not say West no. Not the West Sharo. Zoo, one of my dear brother guy. When I've got able to be a girl, I'm mad. Well, over the bonus. Elezere, man aria webo, we waka con, we not fly con. Oh, if we tiri, if man ahiare, we waka con you. You supposed to respect the way past the Japan. It's easy. Who are you going to walk? Why we not me with the? Why we not me with the? I'm mad woman. Think say you go position for train station in this Kalekia, you hit someone rap for phone. My this woman. Talk to me. Yes, now. No. Do I have a a life female mass of well. A life female or mass of well. One of some other guy kind of Susie Bimo. When a gay kind of a life female now, when we are living or mass of winner, we will. May live a fake life. Man, real life in we live now. Real life me we living now. Or mass of we fake life we living. Who were China with a Spanish passport? Nobody know here you wait because nobody know where so. Nobody know the because a life is fake. Oh, okay, why here? Mama mi wala ina kamo ime gwemero ine be imwi na owo gwege. Mwana san. Be si iri ye be agbe. Ibe ne de boni to sikeme. Ibe ne bi be wa. Ira me retenant. O we ra me that boy. I weekend. O we block no. 5 inches ya boy. Mwana san. Do man here anytime away. My retenant. Oswo. The man money why you go. So you guys bo what do come go who got oh social media person. If I am president working privacy me abi. Oswo no makon. You guys doctor do give my we doctor oh when was live video. E doctor oh don't give my wa. When I got fake actress no. Actress no. Ni ma bo wa yan the post ni ma you can have views no ya me. You just say do that kind. Me live udogi da me la obi we yan no ya bie. We me go we zoo live video. We are the application why you are book. What along it allow because my yes about this you are rejection you solo why also when it time ya solo that agbo agbe bibi agbo diri agbo Suzy oh salobo if you live in where the election oh one of church again Suzy oh one of church again iye boy ayori yaku lekia the Monica I will be the one bone where you lay here on man, they were okay, one of the one or one of the pata, butu. Nothing for to show for it. A day here, quoi. A bit would done. Well, my work was zoo. If I say you say you be using, I don't go fit up to you, my mad woman. Misbehave when I go flog you. Yet he go on one go on with some go on with I call you asked. Me pay costs. Hello. What up, bell? We are here real video. Error, ni mo yo. Okay. Eh? We are out. Dollars Club in music. Yes. Speaker. Download the 2007 stroke 2009 years. The Musia Dollars Club. Women Dollars Club. Yes. Mo ebono yar woni mo yak be yo igbe. Obligatory agboa. Tomatoes. Okay. Yes. Roqueta. Let me get my barrel. Let me get my barrel. You know I love. Okay, very good. Very good. Download everything for record for me. Very good. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I too go love you. If I don't love you, what did I care? If I don't love you, what did I care? If I don't love you, what did I care? If I don't love you, what did I care? Okay. Omonigo Suleiman. Omonigo no have euro to euro. Mama, you do you download that for me? What download that me? What download that me? WhatsApp. What? I agree. Thank you very much. Yes, that parable you make now be your own. Those that keep by sword must surely die by sword, or as a human trafficker. You understand? Susie. Story where Oladia. Yes, sorry, Oladia. Oladia. Iya ewe su musia. Iya ewe musia menu ya gbeke musia e dollar club, na fona dollar, na fona no dollar club. The musia. Sorry. Omonigo no ga weru twero. Ije. Ya be security wire la there. A security wire la there. Again umure. Susie, what go Italy? La the live video the test story we no go Italy. The test story we live video. If you know who Italy no dey arrest me. Umame bitali. Spain na the Benue 30 years. Salam alaikum. Leku sala. Ya diche na gwa lapia rico. Yo wa. Suzuzi. Let me warn you for the last time. When kata baba uka emi ya ni wa kwa bat you on carry corner. Obi na we tell us mena. Let me warn you for the last time. I don't want to do saga with you. When you not see it. This place, when I cut will give Suzuzi. When I invite Suzuzi for this place, may hear and clearly. I'm not joking with Suzuzi. I want to advise you for the last time. If I hear pain from you, if I hear pain from you, I don't may not do your live video. I don't know your live video. Do your live video, give yourself joy, do your program, do the way they do academy or some kind of club association. Do it the way you know how to do it best. It's not my business. Not try. Not just try, go there. You see that? You see this video you do so? I for you ignore this video. You understand? You understand? I for just ignore this video well. You understand? Now 2 points now I pick for this video will be say I'm not taking like the person. Lies to deceive other people. And at the same time to insult my fans when they watch me. Responsible people when they look me. I've been honest people when they this platform are the most responsible platform I see. So the only platform where they talk truth. Brother Osa talk before that. Let Brother Osa. The only platform where they talk truth. And they can call you talk about here. So when they insult people with this platform, I will not take it like it with you at all. If he insults me, well, if you insult me, insult my mind, I'll not get your time. I don't get your time. You understand? But come insult my fans. I'll get your time and I'll wear you. You dey feel me so? So let this one be the fair. Maybe you know what no. Make one take on likely with you as a sister, and me want to tell me I don't cost you. Understand? So I don't cost you a day. Make sure. Say you keep your mouth to yourself, and let me warn you for the last time. You see that trouble where you used to follow people, where they threaten people. Don't borrow this man. Nice trouble about the chop. Oh, me walking. He clear me. Sorry. No, you sorry. No, on this. Frank, you should be talking here. I tell you, don't cause this woman. Frank, what's the word of you? You say bad? On this. Susie, you tell one. But one thing you know, I ain't big or man get your phone. Ima only this going where? A story Monica must of where? A story Monica. That's how Monica the Monica be no a story Monica must of where? Would that a story what Monica any? Well, go now be away na a story what Monica no ya look one way no hair up. I know the story where they Monica I get on. If you let me open my mouth to talk, I don't go only. Susie, now what's not going to do you now to talk? And I joke. Allah will salam alaikum, I must do you. If you provoke me, I go do you. As I say, I get on her time. Mami wana watabi me bena. Imana you wa maybe Europe where we frank. Unwe even no is nothing. You know paro. Wana watabi me bena imana you wa maybe we buna. Unwe erena even no paro. Do wana fi we buna wa paro ngare no enyo ne be. O say ya be ne ban, e kenu reage no anya fi de tagwe. And I go make sure I dig you come out. Na me dey talk am. If I don't get na we beg you yeni iyoko wa me no. Ne me no, ibe iye France ne, iye Spain ne, Italy ne, e Germany ye na. Ibe wona sa me na. Ibe o. Wa no na we e ogugwe o sikamegbe. Threaten eni ati we no. Me la video present on le liku. Wona sa me na. We me dey wona me we party na video na party. I don't do that. But on money you go better start. When you go na wa wash we since near the day e ma travel. Since near the day e ma travel. Working we but we are there back na we yes. Gana erowa. O fi me na. But you be or say any why I will actually. Don't try about with a smile. I just look at me and lock up. No one do you anything. Don't say I get your data. Data see we or kill me fool. The day ni go e ko if you go. Since then data see we kill me fool. I make me wake come. I just use God beg you. I just say cannot tell one okay one and live. Those one past tense. If you want me I wake the pastors I feel wake come. We're not go a lot of Italy. We're not leave Italy. We're not leave Italy. Tell me, man, not go Italy. Susie, don't tell me my live video. What chased you out of Italy? You that were declared wanted before you run to Spain. It's all right. Take your time. It's all right. Take your time. Don't let me talk to you. I don't go toilet. I don't big passport for this talk. Very good. Oh, no more why are you see? Oh, my don't always say you see. Amen. The Monica you see now. Oh yes. E Monica still ma koto silu wa ya koto ya you see. Oh, I was so you know. The same you. No e mo destiny boto ya you see. When destiny na dey wa kama na dey wa re. Oh mia. Wa pitan. O ma wa pitan ma tan o egbi na mu. Itanu pe suzi oro wakara. Who make video ni no ya kala. No ya we na mo kere sin la bian. Ta mo la jara ya show example today. Point here. Our market. Also egbele. Also okay progressive union. Also egbele na ora so. On shatu. Ida so. Ami wa abi yo nisan. Wa na abi yo nisan. No mu yere no wa bi yere ga balance. Ide no wa we pa no there. If they know what, oh, no. If you make me vex, you make me vex. You don't get joy to say, how's my dream? How do you get joy? How do you do my things? Small, you understand? While watching, you got a way with video. Well, and I hear me laughing, you are low key. Because you don't want. You might as well have fun with your hotel, you don't want. You don't want. See, when Baba would smile your way. So, not let me talk. No, let me talk. No time in my live video, if you know who way Italy at this pain. Your story will day my phone. Ogbokun Suzuzi. When we are the same thing, we are how we are respect. We are able to threaten my Musia. Dollars Women's Club in Nogare Musia was Zaga. When this is now Zaga. Odafun was the head of Dollars Women's Club in Musia. You scatter everything with your arrogance. I say, why, money, Philip, where my sister, why are you last? Yes. So Susie, my way here pay for it. I owe it. And the truth. But whether very tenant, it didn't vote this my tenant. I don't even owe you explanation, sir. Not able to prove anything to you. You understand? I don't need to prove anything to you. I don't need to prove anything to you. Because Mezuo, I'm one posting you like. When last you don't see my picture, say I post picture. What's one? Go ahead, boy. Wait a minute. A landlord no who are. Ne kwekwe landlord. You understand? Susie, let me explain the difference between me and you. The kind of landlord will be. You know a landlord you build house. You want to tell you the kind of landlord will be. Where my own landlord better pass your own. You see the kind of landlord will be. The house where I get, I put people where they live for free. Owani me ewu, Owani me ewu. Boy born now na give me. If you nyagbe, ona ni me ebo. Owi jime ni me ewu. Enough see tena yero 1 naira or today. Ni pay. Awa stay your head. I happy. Ni me yawo 20 years now. 20 years now. You can imagine person wey fit release house for person for 20 years. Person wey fit release house for person wey dey stay for 20 years. At least it don't sow seed for person life. Imagine that one no more me. No me go when live video. Imagine sow seed for the less people because people will grow for ghetto. Wait no way for come out. You must remember ghetto. You dey feel me so? I don't be that guy go dey Yankee. Where I know I come up for ghetto, enter Yankee. I come because I dey Yankee, call the buga for my ghetto man. I don't be that kind of thing. You feel me so? That's the reason why most things where they do not get what they do and put because why? I believe in ghetto. I believe in ghetto life. It's too sweet. You feel me so? Men so who are really married the go to now? Everyone not get brain because you know go. I didn't say anyone no. You know how many people they pray for me on a daily basis. Okay, I'm going to room. If you make a joke, me that woman, yeah, by a daily, no, telling me out the I'll carry this program here, carry this one, and I think no one live on live. Where you live from your brother, they live from your brother. You know, yeah, babe. Why you bad now? I definitely say, I got near what. How many they maintain the house? Only when my concern. I'm not going to give money. I want to maintain the house. I don't want to say the house is big. Oh man, but you know, you boy, you understand? Anybody else stay? Well, now we stay, now we stay, now we stay. It's not going to run out. Tell me, you're the tenants. If you may, they are tenants. You are into what? But you don't what? You understand me now? If you may what? But all my brothers, they are tenants. Man, they go, my friend. But we do okay. We they take care of ourselves. They are picking their school. They pay school fees. They get sense. You see what they hear? And God is going to bless us. We know, man. My soul, not by courtesy. One boys in the now barrack. 9 boys, 3 girls. The last girl who married in India. We know the zoo or zoo. No, be a girl way. They are all in their husband's house. Olokun, Eziza, Okon Bazin, Ebenozuo. Ma fe, but I get money on Guerane. Eya go bi, eyi go maku. Eyi go maku. When I went on a rainy say, when I see madame, when madame see les guests là, vous savez, et là, il m'a quoi, on va dire, one. I'm not going on. I'm actually the weather. Actually, have the move wherever. You never near that gate. You don't need that gate. What do I saw a live video? Go higher and dig more information about me. Yeah, dig it on. Well, because I dig go home with that now. I can't tie live video. Maybe I be man, but we do okay. You understand? I be a girl, man. What do you Azure? Have you ever seen person in UK? What do Azure is what? Or have you ever seen person in US, Canada, misbehaving, be a nuisance to the society? That's a live video presenter. Why are they? No, don't hear that before. No, don't hear that before. For the social media, say person the UK. He not even mention UK. Look before they misbehave for UK. Now the people who come for Italy. Tell me the live video presenter when they zoom for UK. Now Italian bloggers, Spanish bloggers, all these Nyama bloggers. Europe deportees, Europe, human traffickers. Now there's war for UK now. You never see person come from Molecular Mohammed Airport. He land UK Zoi because they misbehave for social media. It's hard. You never see like video presenter for America because they misbehave for America. It's hard. You never see social media presenter for Sweden. They misbehave. It's hard. You never see presenters for UK, for Canada. They misbehave. It's hard. You never see live video presenter for India. They misbehave. It's hard. Now only we were in Europe. Now we the zoo because why? Both the men where they say, "Hey, happy you are." Hey, happy. But you are one way. But the way you is hello. Mama fee, my who. Man, what are we? He mafe, he go. But he saw Wahia. He saw Wahia. You know, just say that's Wahia. Me zoo of in Wazuo. Yeah, kill it. No down. I know the mumu. Suzuzi, not the mumu. I talk with reason. If I disgone you, I could explain your fuck up. That's bad with this man. Go play my videos. In every nonsense, there's a sense. You pick sense my videos. Don't talk anyhow. I'm not a lunatic like people. Not just community. Asalo, money over. What by the rebel? Sister, you come there, okay? That after the battle, I will Uki na bon kine no woro ya here. Why are they one here said you were here? In there, Lucy. You are bola wa gbe. Make the donation.
I don't want to hear my name
Susie, oh. Ete ni nagahe no mo. Susie, oh. Ete ni nagahe no mo.
So in our relationship, stay away. Okay, stay away from it. If the man keep that when you want to and those of you that decide to do life presenter that is it up. Try to clean the mess when the time comes. Try to pack your mess when the time comes. That is it. And Victor, don't ever mention my name again. Don't ever.
I don't mention her now. Susie, oh. Ete ni nagahe no mo. Ozo.
I am not your mate.
You don't be my mate, you be my slave.
I'm not your mate.
Yes. Talk on that one. Talk on that one. You don't say anything to talk. We're going to end the video. Not your mate. I'm not your mate. I'm not your mate. Oh yeah, end the video. Susie, oh. We gonna go. We gonna get work. Bell or my command. Why you go out? My video na 2 hours. You wanna work back? 2 hours video. No make it. Go gaga. Yeah. You are there. But was Zaka or Sodoma command? Ayowa. Nekwemu. Oh. We don't mention any here. Suzuki. Abomu. It's when you mark bomb with no. We are for many years. After months frustration, nothing to show for it. They want to share this video for me. Not the Giaga one there. Have you Suzuki no Zoa? Well, we are going to go to Mammon. Well, we are. Oh yeah, let's do some hookup. If you know you need woman, you know you be woman, you need man. Call me now. Don't they call? No, they call. It's time to call. You understand? This time around, it's time to call. My phone, you do this up. Put my phone on the wall. My phone is ring. This one now, I ring it this one. The phone now ring it. Elano. The more is silent. Okay, now let's go there. Anybody, any connecting time? Anybody to comment? No, tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow we're going to do our connecting time. So, you know you are that man, you're the woman, you're looking for man. I got some people who are in need of women. Got a lot of men who are in need of women. If you are a woman, you need man this December, you can call me. And don't forget to follow Baba with a Smile YouTube channel. That's my new YouTube channel, Baba with a Smile. Go to Baba with a Smile, love the video, comment, drop your comment on the comment section, you know, subscribe. You feel me? So, and you can also visit Omewa TV on YouTube. Omewa TV on YouTube, go there, subscribe, and view the video, comment. You feel me? So, and don't forget, Baba with a Smile is always there, live on the right here, and nothing there happen. And also go to my page. Go to my page or to level 1 of the universe. Follow and like. Go to Omewa Talk Show. Follow and like and press star. And support Omewa Talk Show as a top fan. Go to the support badge and support us, support our program. God bless you. God bless everyone. Let me pick this call. Hello, bro. What talk best? I don't sir. What? You are life. Acabou. Well, audio gazi na, gazi waro iyo, gazi we gwalo. Wa gwalo gazi ya, ami ere susu is there, susu is available. Me awa mo gazi ni we o, ya wa ije. Ya you try say o, if you need susu you call me. I'll connect you susu. Ya le no buy no call e, audio gazi nu. Eya ha. I greet you. Na greet you one love.